talking about BMW M5. Come to check out what's wrong with the 12-volt socket or change the cigarette lighter. To look at this beautiful car here. It's a BMW M5. I don't remember what is it. 39 E39, yeah. Whoa, just run into the bins and that. Wow, this car is amazing. But you know, you don't get called out to look at cars like this very often. It's absolutely mint. You don't get called out to look at cars like this very often, but his cigarette lighter, the 12-volt socket, isn't working. Mate, look at that wheel. Yeah, so there's not much to look at, but it's just a little cigarette lighter repair that I'm going to do. Let's have a quick look at the interior. Yeah, man. Got the electric seats, you know, vents on the door cards. This is the new one. I don't know if this is going to be do the job, you know. Yeah. So this is what I'm changing, but like I said, I'm not too sure if this is going to be the right fitment. Got like a little Rolls Royce at the back there, got lights and stuff. You know what I mean? M5. Anyway, I'm not a YouTuber, I'm just here to do cars, yeah, so fix cars. That's a beautiful M4. I'm not a really big fan of the colour in the black type lights. Got no number plate on it. What's going on? But here we go. So I need to figure out how to get this out. Yeah, might just watch a quick YouTube video and see and figure out what we can do. Yeah, and this is basically as much as I stripped out of the car. One thing I was impressed by, you see this little piece here? It's actually made out of metal. Whoa. Right. It's crazy. Well, this 12-volt socket, I'm pretty sure I can't swap in the Halfords one that the customer bought. So I'm just going to do my best to clean it up. I did check to see if it had power, and it does. So it's just a matter of just cleaning this out to make sure that it works. This one here, that's past its sell by date. Maybe we can leave this in a can of Coke overnight and it might eat the rust. Worth a try. You have a E39 before, now you have, yeah, now you have. So I managed to get this working. This is what we came here to do, you know. I spent ages cleaning this up inside. It's looking good. There you go. And it's not shorty, it's actually staying on. Happy days. Let's have a look underneath the bonnet. God, that bonnet pulled so nice and soft. Put this there. Woo, 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 woo. You see this? So 2 air boxes, that's your cooling bottle, that's your screen wash. This might be some sort of diagnostic socket. That's your ABS, ECU, ABS pump. In here it's like, I don't know, some sort of air intake, maybe. I'm not too sure what in here is, but it definitely looks like an air intake into the car. You got bank 1, bank 2, could be the other way around. This is a jump start post. That's crazy that they put it on the engine, you know. This here is your oil filter, so I feel like this might have like some sort of dry sump system. I don't know if I'm talking rubbish, but I'm surprised that it's here. That is your power steering oil. Behind the headlights here, you've got like a ballast. Just probably got xenon headlights. Another ballast here, AC connection. It's your mass flow sensors. What else can I point out whilst we're underneath here? That's your fan, obviously. Got your auxiliary belt down there. Can't see any oil leaks, man. Got your exhaust down there. Hard to see this. I mean, I feel like to work on this car, you got to drop the engine out. Yeah, just drop it out. Yeah, I wouldn't really want to stress myself out trying to get my hands down into gaps like that, you know. And if you don't know anything about cars, this one here is your screen wash. So if you ever put in water in, look for this sign here. I got a friend the other day, he just filled up his Q8 with water in his oil. I don't know how he did it, you know, don't know how, but it happens. So look for this sign all the time. Can we start it up?
Let's do it.
Probably don't even need to put the clutch down. You hear that? It's got the metal sunroof. That's your sunroof switch area. Let's quickly look here. Got your lights and stuff. The headline is actually quite nice. I think this probably needs to be sorted out. It's not in properly. Maybe it's just like that. Quiet, isn't it? So I think this big airbox at the top here is because it's got throttle bodies, so individual throttle bodies. I think they like to do it on the M-Power cars. Give it a rev for me, please, man. Cheers. Nice one, bro. This is the owner as well. Yeah, you see a man like this, proper cars, you're not playing. Proper cars, yeah? Man, respect for letting me do the video. Thanks for calling us out. Best car I've seen in a long time.
Appreciate that, man. Thanks, man. Great job. Everybody, shout out SP88. You already know, man. It's big cousin. It's over here in E39. I'm in London.
Sorry, bro.
Album's already out. You already know, etc., etc. My head's a mess. Excuse it.
That's alright, man. Living life, man.
Come on, man. We do this, man.
Yeah, that's, you know, man, looking after his car when you see the right rubbers, man. I mean, so we get the coolest shot of this car, man. I know some of you guys want to see this car. Decent spec one's got cameras in the bumper. Might have a camera under there as well. Yep, proper spec. This is a top spec one as well, man. Proper.